triangles, our 1, 2, root 3 and our 1, 1, root 2 triangle, in other words 30, 60, 90 triangle, and our 45, 45, 90 triangle. And let's just zoom in. We are going to be using our special triangles to find the cosine, sine, and tangent of special angles in our unit circle. For example, if I wanted to find out what the sine of 60 degrees is, this is how I'm going to place my triangle onto my unit circle. You should probably start labeling your unit circle, but here's 60 degrees, and so I'm going to draw what's known as the terminal arm. The terminal arm always goes from the origin, or the 0, 0 mark, up here until you reach the intersection of the circle. Notice my special triangle. One side of the special triangle always goes on the x-axis. So if you don't have this organization going on, then you're doing something wrong. Like if you've got it like this, or potentially like this. This isn't actually all that wrong, but really it's not going to give you the right idea. This was 60 degrees, so the angle is always measured from this positive x-axis over to the terminal arm. And so this is 60 degrees. I am going to use the relative side lengths of my special triangle to find out what the sine of 60 degrees is. Here's my angle. It's contained between the positive x-axis and the terminal arm. I see the opposite side length is the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2. So using my special triangle, I know that the sine of 60 is the square root of 3 over 2. X is positive, Y is positive. Going to label my point right here, I'm going to say the sine of 60 degrees is equal to square root of 3 over 2. Now, if I want to find the cosine of 60 degrees, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And so I know that my cosine of 60 degrees is 1/2. Okay, finally, what is the tangent of 60 degrees? Getting pretty crowded there. The tangent of 60 degrees is the opposite over the adjacent side. Here's my 60 degrees. Tangent is root 3 over 1. So what you should do is just run these through your calculator, make sure that they're right, and when you're labeling them, you should make them nice and small. We have covered angles that are in the first quadrant. In other words, they are somewhere between 0 and 90 degrees.